Welcome to Confusion Corner. This is kind of where we have all of our electronic stuff. We're going to start you out kind of with our cell phone booster right here. So when you're out yonder and you need a little bit more cell phone power, this will give you a little bit of a boost. Next we'll have our cameras, our 4.3. This one here will not work with turn signal cameras. Screen's too small and is not compatible. Our 5-inch, which is this one right here, this will work with this. See why this is getting confusing. And the 7-inch, that's this big old son of a gun. This will also work with your side view cameras. Next we have our Nebo Light. Basically this is the Big Poppy. It is an outside light. You have the light function, the fire function for on the shelf, and then you do have a spotlight. Pretty easy. Next we have a 0G garden hose. These are actually really useful. They do not kink up as much. Not to mention it fits in this box. This is 25 foot of hose in a box this size. A surge guard. This one here is a little bit higher profile one. This one will notify you via your cell phone if you do have an issue. So if you're off site, you'll get a text message or a Bluetooth link saying, hey, something's wrong, come back. Pretty easy to do. Just plug into the pole, and you're done. Next, we have, what in green earth? A pink flamingo. Yeah, folks, Confusion Corner now consists of pink flamingos. Come get one, please. I can't believe I'm saying that. And then, this is actually my personal toy that I keep on my desk. My parts manager is playing a giant prank on me at the moment. And then finally, our sales special. So, this is your basic TV. It's your antenna for Dish Network. Right now we have the bundle here. It has the dome and your Wally receiver on sale for $325, and that's until we run out. So please come get them. They're going quick.